Hey guys, what's going on? This is Jeff aka Nomad Fury. So I'm kinda lost right now. You can see right here, everywhere, it's fogging. Okay, it's fogging. I'm somewhere here in the mountains. So it's really cool. So it's past 1 p.m. here and I will be going right here on the bridge. I know I'm just unwinding myself for a little while because you can see that I am doing videos like almost every day. So I just keep working and working and working. But sometimes I need to rest, I need to unwind, I need to chill out for a while out of the city. So I'm here in the province, somewhere like, yeah, I'm lost. So you can see there's a bridge. So let's check it out, guys. Let's check it out. So I love it here. Wow, look at that. Now it's fogging. I'm here somewhere in the mountain area. Look at the river, guys. And on the other side, wow. So sometimes we have to chill for a while, try to get out of the city, trying to embrace this wonderful nature. I love nature. I love getaways like this. I've never been doing a getaway for a long while, since it's pandemic. So I got a chance here to, to visit. Okay, wow, this is really cool. Since it's fogging, of course, I have to wear a jacket because it's cold right here. Wow, this is amazing, guys. Okay, so we just have to balance our work and our leisure, trying to chill. So this is wonderful. So this is great, guys. This is absolutely great. Maybe one day I will live somewhere, okay, out of the city. I'm truly amazed. I love it. I love nature. I love I love living in this kind of environment. So anyways, that won't be long. So I hope you guys are enjoying your weekend, okay, because I will be heading back to the city and doing some videos again and other stuff. So at least I'm glad that even for just a few hours, unwinding right here, in this foggy area here in the mountains. So anyways, this is all for now. Thank you so much. My name is Jeff aka Nomad Fury. So happy weekend.